My little girl met a new friend just the other day on the playground at school, between the tires and the swing. But she came home with tear-filled eyes, and she said to me, "Daddy, Alyssa lies." I just brushed it off at first, 'cause I didn't know how much my little girl had been hurt, or the things she had seen.
Why were you with my boyfriend?
I
Why were you
wasn't
with
ready
him?
when I said
Like,
you could
seriously,
tell.
no. Like, why were you with my dude? No, like, listen to me.
And she said, "Alyssa lies to the classroom. Alyssa lies every day at school. Alyssa lies to the teachers as she tries to cover every bruise." My little girl laid her head down that night to go to sleep. As I stepped out the room, I heard her say a prayer so soft and sweet. God bless my mom and my dad, and my new friend Alyssa. I know she needs you bad, because Alyssa lies to the classroom. Alyssa lies every day at school. Alyssa lies to the teacher